TNXP stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now here's the thing. This thing is in a beautiful bullish market, bullish trend, and the way it's looking like for me is that I've been like, you can see this, I've been just buying the crap out of this, and the whole began way early, like very early. Talking like, look at this, it was 17.10 at the time 3 months ago, and now we're here. And especially with me, like, I'm still looking to double down on this, but if it does not sort of pull down a correct sell down and gives me a double break, there's just no way that I will look to take things further up. Like, genuinely speaking, without a correction or anything similar. Yeah, and I also see pre-market pumping already, but I'm just telling you, I'm sitting here waiting. If it does happen, good. If it doesn't, well, that's also good. I'm just not going to take a trade. But if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.